Welcome! In this video we will see how to tie the highsman hitch. The lesson says that this knot was used by the bank robbers in the old days. This knot is a quick release knot. As you can see, if I pull this part, the knot comes undone. It's very easy to tie. We link this rope to, in this case, to a carabiner. We make a bight like this and we put like this under the carabiner. Then I take the standing part, I create another bight like this and put inside the first bight from over the carabiner like this. Then I pull a little bit and finally, look where the working hand here is under the carabiner, I took like this and I put inside the last bight, and then I pull the standing part. As you can see, there is a knot and a bight here and a little running hand coming outside the knot. For untie the knot, I just pull and the knot comes undone.